Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. If you're a Canon printer owner who's suddenly seeing error code 5011 pop up on your screen, don't panic. We're here to help. This error is one of the most common issues with Canon devices, especially inkjet printers, and it often signals a problem with the printing mechanism. In this video, we'll dive into what error code 5011 means, explore the possible causes, and walk you through simple solutions to get your printer back up and running in no time. First off, let's break down what error code 5011 actually means. In Canon printers, this code typically indicates a hardware-related issue, like a problem with the ink system or print head. It could mean that the printer is detecting an obstruction, a faulty cartridge, or even an internal error that's preventing it from operating normally. This error is more common in models like the Pixma series, but it can affect various Canon devices. Now, what causes this error? There are a few key culprits. One major cause is a clogged printhead, which happens when ink dries up or debris builds up over time. Another is a paper jam that wasn't fully cleared, leading to mechanical blockages. Faulty ink cartridges, such as ones that are low on ink or not properly installed, can also trigger this code. Additionally, software glitches from outdated drivers or incompatible firmware might be at play, especially if you've recently updated your operating system. Alright, let's get to the fixes. Start by turning off your printer and unplugging it from the power source for about a minute. This simple reset can resolve minor glitches. Next, check for any paper jams by opening the printer carefully and removing any stuck paper. If that's not the issue, inspect your ink cartridges. Make sure they're securely installed and not empty. Try cleaning the printhead through the printer's maintenance menu. Most Canon models have a built-in utility for this. You can access it via the control panel or through the Canon software on your computer. If the problem persists, update your printer drivers from the official Canon website and restart your computer. As a last resort, if none of these work, you might need to contact Canon support or consider professional repair. There you have it. A straightforward guide to tackling error code 5011. Remember, prevention is key, so regularly maintain your printer by cleaning it and using genuine Canon supplies. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.